Launching an epoxy dining table business is an ambitious and rewarding endeavor, but turning that dream into a profitable reality requires a meticulously crafted business plan. A well thought out strategy not only helps define your objective but also prepares you to navigate challenges effectively. For DIY enthusiasts stepping into this creative yet competitive market, addressing several critical components is key to building a sustainable and thriving enterprise. Clarity is the cornerstone of any successful business. Begin by asking yourself what sets your epoxy dining tables apart. Are you targeting high-end clients with luxurious custom-made designs, or do you envision creating stylish yet affordable options for everyday homes? Perhaps your focus is on sustainability, crafting tables from local wood or eco-friendly epoxy. Defining your niche is more than a statement of intent. It informs your branding, marketing, pricing and production process. A strong vision anchors your business, giving it purpose and direction. Understanding your market is like laying a foundation for your business. Explore the current trends in home decor and dining furniture, identifying gaps your product can fill. Look closely at competitors. What are they offering and where do they fall short? Customer reviews on similar products are gold mines of information, revealing pain points such as durability issues or lack of design options. Use this data to craft a unique selling propositions that resonate with your target audience. Dive deeper into demographics. Who are your ideal customers? What are their age ranges, incomes, and style preferences? Tailoring your approach to meet their needs gives you a competitive edge. A detailed financial plan is essential for ensuring your resources are allocated wisely. Calculate your startup costs with precision, covering everything from tools and materials to workspace modifications and marketing expenses. Hidden costs such as electricity, safety gear, or equipment maintenance can quickly add up, so leave no stone unturned. Establish your break-even point to determine how many tables you need to sell to start turning a profit. Pricing your tables requires a balance between affordability and profitability. High-end designs with premium materials and intricate craftsmanship naturally command higher prices, but they must align with the perceived value in your target market. Conversely, more accessible designs may appeal to a broader audience but yield slimmer margins. Adjust your pricing strategy based on the financial realities and market research you've conducted. The materials and tools you choose directly impact the quality and appeal of your epoxy dining tables. Break down every component of your designs. Are you using premium hardwoods like walnut or maple, or opting for more budget-friendly alternatives? High-quality UV-resistant resin is a must for ensuring durability and preventing yellowing, especially for dining tables that endures daily use. Pigments, inclusions, and finishing supplies add another layer of complexity as they enhance the aesthetic value but also increases costs. On the tool side, list every piece of equipment you will need, from table saws and routers to sanders and epoxy molds. Specialty tools such as heat guns for bubble removal or moisture meters to check wood readiness are often overlooked but indispensable. Decide whether to invest in a professional grade tools for longevity or start with budget-friendly options, knowing they may need frequent replacements. If outsourcing steps like metal layer fabrications or powder coating is more cost-effective, incorporate those expenses into your plan. Efficiency in your design and production process is crucial for meeting customer expectations and maintaining profitability. Will you focus on batch production to streamline operations or prioritize custom orders for a personalized touch? Outline every step of the process, from wood preparation and epoxy pouring to sanding, assembly, and finishing. Consider creating templates for common designs to save time and ensure consistency. Factor in the time required for curing epoxy, as this impacts your production schedule. For custom orders, establish clear guidelines for how customers can request unique designs and set realistic timelines for delivery. A well-documented workflow not only enhances efficiency but also helps maintain the quality that distinguishes your tables in the market. Your branding is the face of your business and it should reflect the uniqueness of your products. Create a logo, tagline, and color scheme that evoke the essence of your epoxy dining tables. Your marketing strategy should center on storytelling, share the passion, creativity, and craftsmanship that go into every table. Buyers love knowing the story behind their purchase, whether it's the inspiration for a design or the sustainable practices you employ. A professional website is non-negotiable. High-quality photos and detailed descriptions showcase your table's beauty and craftsmanship. Add a blog to share insights, tips, or behind-the-scenes content that reinforces your expertise. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are invaluable for reaching a visually driven audience. Use them to post eye-catching images. Collaborating with influencers or home decor bloggers can amplify your reach, while attending trade shows and craft fairs connect you with the local customer and industry professionals. A comprehensive marketing plan ensures your product reaches the right audience and builds a loyal customer base. The journey from inquiry to post-purchase support should be seamless and enjoyable. Decide how you manage communication, whether through email, phone, or live chat. Establish clear policies for returns, refunds, and warranties, as these build trust and show your commitment to quality. Offering care guides for maintaining Epoxy surface and metal legs not only helps customers preserve their tables, but also position your business as a helpful resource. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews or share photos of their tables in their homes. User-generated content is a powerful marketing tool that reinforces your credibility. Personalized touches such as thank you note or follow-up emails strengthen customer relationships and increase the likelihood of repeat business. Shipping large, delicate items like dining tables presents unique challenges. Decide whether to handle delivery yourself, partner with local carriers, or use freight carriers for long-distance orders. Packaging is critical for protecting your tables during transit. Invest in steady, eco-friendly materials and include branded elements like thank you cards or care instructions. Offering local pickup options can save costs and appeal to nearby customers. If you are targeting a broader market, factor in the cost of shipping oversized items and ensure your pricing accounts for these expenses. Operating a business involves navigating legal and regulatory requirements. Research the permits or licenses you need, particularly if you are running your workshop from home. Safety is paramount, especially when working with hazardous materials like epoxy resin. Train yourself and any team member on proper handling, storage, and disposable procedures. Liability insurance provides an extra layer of protection against unexpected incidents. Think beyond the first year. Set short-term goals such as reaching a specific revenue milestone or producing a certain number of tables, and outline long-term objectives like expanding to new markets or introducing complementary products. Reinvesting profit into your business, whether for new tools, marketing campaigns, or additional staff, demonstrate a commitment to growth and innovation. Building partnerships can open new opportunities. Collaborate with local interior designers, home stages, or boutique furniture stores to feature your tables. Networking at trade shows and joining industry groups help you stay connected and informed about emerging trends. Integrating technology into your business streamlines operations and enhances customer experience. Design software can help create custom table mockups, while e-commerce platforms simplify online sales. Customer relationship management tools keep track of leads and inquiries, ensuring timely follow-ups. Automation tools for social media or email marketing save time and maintain consistency. Challenges are inevitable, but a contingency plan helps you weather the storm. Identify alternative suppliers for critical materials and maintain a buffer stock to avoid production delays. Set aside an emergency fund for unexpected expenses or sales dips. Flexibility in your marketing and product offerings allows you to adapt to shifting trends or economic conditions. Staying competitive means continually refining your craft and business strategies. Attend workshops, join online forums, or take courses to expand your skills and stay updated on the latest techniques. Embrace feedback from customers and industry peers to improve your product and processes. By addressing every aspect of your Epoxy dining table business, from market research and financial planning to customer service and scalability, you create a blueprint for success. A well-crafted business plan not only guides your journey, but also sets the stage for a thriving enterprise that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and entrepreneurial spirit. Thank you for being part of our creative journey. If this video lighted a spark or inspired your project, don't let the idea stop here. Hit like, share it with fellow creators, and subscribe to join a community that thrives on innovation. Tap the notification bell and make sure you are always ahead of the curve with our latest inspiration. See you in the next video.